Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu ala habibi Muhammadin wa alayhi wasallam. Today we will study or we will learn how to write a report, what is the method, what is the methodology to learn the report. Clear? An overview and practical guide. It's an overview, it's a practical guide how to write the report, step by step. You have prepared many reports in some model papers, but let's study it properly. First of all, you'll have to write your name, clear? Crime reporter, from crime reporter, clear? Or from assistant to the principal, clear? Next one, you'll have to write the date. You may write the date on right corner, top right corner, clear? Then what is a report? What the report is, clear? In the report, you'll have to discuss some issue and then give the you can say solution to that issue. Discuss some problems and you are supposed to discuss the problems, discuss the issue of that problem, and you can say discuss the solution of that problem. Okay. A report is a structured, what is a report? A report is a structured written presentation directed to readers for specific purpose. What is a report? It's a written presentation, it's properly structured, clear, and it has got a purpose, it's purposeful. It has got a targeted readership, clear? Why are you writing a report? Why are you writing this piece of writing? Because you have to give some information to somebody, clear? It is just for giving the information and then giving the solution, not only information but also the solution, clear? It aims to, what is the target of writing the report? To give an account of something, give a summary of something, clear? Give a short crux of something, then answer a question. So there you raise some questions and then you answer those questions, clear? Offer a solution to a problem. You raise the issues and then you offer the solution, clear? Your purpose is to inform, not to alarm, clear? Next one, varieties of reports exist but they all serve similar functions. There are a number of reports but they have got same similar functions, same similar working. Somebody should be standing over here. Next one, you will be clicking this one if it is finished, okay? With right arrow key. Characteristics of an effective report, clear? Are qualities of an effective report, clear? Appropriate to its purpose, it should be suitable, it should be reasonable, and it should serve its purpose. So whatever the purpose is, it must serve the purpose. It must cover the purpose. Clear? Must cover the target. Look at the board, please. If you are unable to see, you may stand over here. Clear? You may sit on that seat. Change your seat. Change. You are not attentive in my class. That's the reason. I have changed your seat. Accurate. What does accurate mean? It should be correct. Accurate means it should be correct. It should be right. Clear? Logical means sensible. Clear? Logical means sensible. Clear? It should appeal to your mind. Clear and concise. It must be clear, transparent, and it must be concise, mean short, brief. Clear? It should not be like an essay. When I ask you to write a report, you start writing an essay in 2 pages. No, not at all. Clear? Verifiable facts. The facts available in the, you can say report, or the facts you have written in the report, they must be verifiable. They should be verifiable. For example, your principal, you are assistant to your principal, and he asks you, or he writes you a letter, and in that letter he says, go to second year class, clear? Check the condition of the room. Check the second year class condition or class condition of the second year. Clear? room condition of the second year. Clear? Second year class, okay? So you come over here in the room and you see the board is hanging outside. It is out of its socket. Clear? Electric board is hanging outside. You note it down. Clear? You are compiling a report right now. Okay? Then you look at the cupboard. Sir, something is written on the cupboard. Some students have used a marker on the cupboard and it looks bad. Clear? Then you look at the whitewash. So some areas in the room they need whitewash, and some screen, some rod that is broken on the window. We have to use the screens while using the projector. So right now you are compiling a report and you are preparing, a report regarding this. It's factual, it's facts. It is fact that a rod is broken, a railing is broken, a rod is broken, and we cannot hang a screen over there. Clear? Not a bias. Clear? Just to see the projector properly, or just to see the writing on by the projector properly. Okay? Then a bulb. You look at the bulb. It's not fixed properly. It's again hanging. Clear? Then you look at the ceiling fans. You see some fans. They are a bit dirty. A dirt is gathered, or you can say a dust is gathered over there. Okay? They have caught the dust. So they need to be cleaned. Clear? Then you look at it's okay, working. Clear? Any chair, if it is broken, right, the chair is broken, or the arm of chair is broken. Okay? So you write the arm. Clear? That's how you are preparing the report. So facts must be verifiable. If the principal comes to the class to check, verify, if he looks at the window, or you can say looks at the cupboard, the same. Somebody is written with the markers, okay? And if he looks at the ceiling fan, it's dirty, dusty, clear? If he looks at, please receive the keys. Jarbai is coming, receive the keys, okay? If he looks at the bulb, it's hanging. If he looks at the board, it's hanging again. There is a problem with the board, okay? Next one. Objective, it must be objective. Clear? What does objective mean? Factual. It should be factual. Avoid putting emotions into it. For example, you have judged the teacher. Clear? You say the English teacher is very strict. It is emotional. This sentence is emotional. Clear? And if you write, that is subjective sentence. Clear? That is subjective. If you write English teacher is very emotional or very strict, clear? That is subjective. Clear? You are putting your emotions into this sentence, not put emotions. And if you write English teacher is strictly following the discipline, this is objective, this is factual. Why I am strict? Because I am following the discipline. I am following the rules of discipline. That's the reason English teacher is strict. Clear? Next one, not an essay of personal opinions, but a balanced presentation of facts. So it should be a report, it should look like a report, not an essay. A balanced opinion should be there, rather a balanced presentation of facts, not the opinion. In opinion, your emotions come. Must consider all sides of the issue. So we have covered almost all sides of the issue, like the fans, the bulb, the cupboard, and the rod, railing. Next one, rules for writing a report. Set your objective before starting. Set your goals, set your targets before starting. What I need to discuss. Next one, assess your readership to tailor the report. So you should judge the readership. What kind of readership you are writing to. So you should write the report accordingly. If you are writing the report to the principal, you tell the facts that's it. Decide on needed information. What kind of information is needed? Prepare a skeletal framework. You should prepare a sketch or summary of the report, okay? Test and revise the framework. You should test it and you should revise whatever you have written. Check spelling, grammar, punctuation. These days it's very easy. You don't need a teacher to check these things. You simply paste it onto ChatGPT or paste it onto Hemingway.com. Clear? It will check everything, spelling, grammar, punctuation, or rather you should give a command that I need my report to be checked regarding spelling, grammar, punctuation, and correct my report or highlight my mistakes so that you may know next time you may not make the mistakes, okay? Repeat the mistakes. So it can be easily checked without the help of the teacher. Next one, proofread the final draft carefully. So you should carefully read the final draft. Clear? Final writing. Next one, report writing steps. Write the date and at the right margin, right side. Clear? You'll have to write the date on the right side of the page. For example, this is the page. Write the newspaper and editor's name at the left margin over here. You have to write the newspaper, the Dawn. Clear? And what's the editor's name? Here like this. Okay. Then state the reporter's name. Okay. From to the newspaper to the Dawn. Clear? City ABC. And then what's the name? Your name, like crime reporter or something else. Clear? Somebody else. Or assistant to the principal. Or write the subject of the report. What's it? Condition of classroom. Condition of second year classroom. Clear? That is the subject. Clear? So we have chosen the subject. Okay. Next one, provide a salutation like sir, sir or madam. Clear? Next one, introduction begin the report's introductory paragraphs. Clear? Then provide details about the problem with reasons. So you have provided, you have discussed the problem, but reason must be there. Next, suggestions offer the solution to the problem. Sign off, then you have to write the signature over here and write your signs. Write your name, not name, ABC like this. Okay. Thank you very much.